Hey, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to have you here. Today in this video, you will learn how to make $5 per day, $10 per day, $100 per day, or even $1,000 per day from PDFs. Yes, and the best part, you will be doing it using softwares, online-based softwares. I will be sharing with you premium softwares that are paid. It's totally optional. And I will share with you free softwares that you can use. And the best part, you don't have to create anything. You don't need your own content. You can use other people's content. And most of the things that I'm going to share with you are free. There will be premium options to get better results faster, but they are not necessary. So you ready for this? You have to stick to the end of the video to get all the information. There will be free gifts. There will be my softwares completely free to get better and better results, but you have to stick to the end of the video because all these informations are scattered throughout the video. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video. First, let me show you Scribble. It's a paid software. Don't worry, stick to the video. I will show you free options as well, and free are more than enough in case you are on budget. But if you want to turn anyone's content into a beautiful, professionally built ebook in just clicks, then Scribble is the option, and the link is in the description. By the way, it is not important, and I will show you free options, so please stick to the end of the video. So let me first show you how to use Scribble. Click New Project and then select your template. You can click View and see how it will look like. Looks good to me. Close and click Use. Now enter your project name. For this case, we're going to turn this beautiful iPhone 13 Pro Max review article into PDF ebook. So I'm gonna copy this headline and paste it here in the project name, and then just save or leave everything as is. Click Create Your ebook. Now remember, the software hasn't yet asked for the link to the article or the content, so this is just the format. I hope it's understood. So this is the ebook template. The moment we want to add this article into this PDF, we have to copy the URL of it and click Add Content. Now there are so many done for you articles ready to use, but you can also use copy paste content, or you can upload a Word file. In this case, we're going to grab the content from the URL we just copied from here and simply Control V or Command V to paste it and click Add Content, and the software will start working in the background. The software is fetching the content is loading. It is such a beautiful software. Again, don't worry, stick to the end of the video because I will show you free options. And in a matter of seconds, the beautiful content, the beautiful ebook is ready to rock and roll. See, the whole content, the whole article has built a beautiful ebook for you. Now, if you want to change your text, you can change the text from here. You can change the author name. I simply use collected by my name, and I also always share the link to the main article. This way I give full credit to the creator of the article, and also they will get a backlink from this sharing. Now I personally recommend to ask permission before using anyone else's content, but don't worry, stick to the end of the video. I will show you a free option as well, and that will be 100% legal using my software. You will get access to my software, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. Now you can change the table of contents if you want. If you have no time, you don't want to work with these things, you can always delete the pages using this Remove Page button. Just hop on the page. On the top right corner, you will see this option. You can even clone this page or use the other options in the settings. Now these sections look like a little bit messed up, so I'm gonna delete. Yes, I'm sure, delete it. And this one also, because they are fetched from another article. Okay, I don't want these here. Let's keep everything else as is. This is good, not a problem. Or you can change these bullet lists manually. That's it. Once you are ready, click that little generate ebook button and the software will generate ebook without you doing anything else. You can click view online and your beautifully built ebook is ready to rock and roll in just a matter of seconds. Super awesome, right? You can even download the PDF and upload anywhere you want. Basically, that's what we are going to do to make money with these PDFs. But before that, let me show you free options. Google article to PDF converter and you will find a lot of options. Open link in new tab. This one works well. Control V, the article link, and just click create. This one is a bit better because this one gives you option to change things if you want. It even allows you to add watermarking if you want. That can be any location of your PDF. You can add copy, write info, and it should be below the PDF content, and position will be bottom right corner. You can choose and then click convert. This one is already converted, so let's download and see how it looks. It looks okay, but a little messed up. The problem is this directly converted the website into PDF. So sometimes they give you good results, sometimes they don't give you good results. In this case, the website is well formatted, so the result is good. But whenever you see that there is something that you don't like, you have no option to edit them. That is the limitation of free softwares. Again, let's look at this one. This one also generated a PDF already. Again, this one looks not bad, but here's the problem again. You have no option to change anything, even the links, buy buttons, all that automatically fetched from the website. This looks much better than the other one, but again, you have absolutely no control over your link. You can't add anything yourself, so that's a bit of a problem. All right, but hey, don't worry, I have a software that will add one more step. But not only the content will be 100% legal to use your own content, but you will have full control over what you can do with your content. So let me show you that one first. Welcome to Maven. Here is an article that I have generated using Maven. Let me copy the URL and go to any free software. Start with this one, Control V, and click convert. By the way, if you are interested to get Maven, the link is in the description. The best part of Maven is when you are creating a content, it is added as a blog post. So not only you can create PDF from this content, but also you're actually owning your own blog. Now the PDF is ready. Let's look at the preview. So let's copy this URL and go to this application and click convert. Click download, and the content looks much better than any other article. Why? Because of the clean layout of Maven. Now, if you are concerned about these links, don't worry, because they are your links. It's your website, it's your blog, everything belongs to you. You just turned your website into a PDF. Super awesome, right? So the link to Maven is in the description, by the way. But again, this is not necessary. A lot of times, these free tools generate awesome content directly from any website. But using Maven will help you turn your content unique by rewriting them using AI. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video. Now I'm going to show you a software that will help you sell these PDFs online. But there is one catch. Number one, this has limitations in the free version. So to get full features, the maximum benefits, you have to go for their paid versions. But also there is another limitation, is that this will store your PDFs and will help you sell and make money, which is awesome enough, but still they will not really drive traffic to your PDFs. But I have a software, I built it to solve this problem basically, that will drive traffic to your PDF virally. The software will turn your PDFs into an awesome, beautiful flipbook and then ask the visitors to sign up to open that flipbook. Not only that, then they will ask the visitors to refer more people to get bigger gifts. So the referral and viral traffic system built in. The link in the description, by the way, and it's not necessary to get that software, my software, but you can use the free software that I'm going to show you here. So let's jump in. Now we are on a website that allows you to sell your digital products, including your PDF, ebooks, etc., at zero cost. So as you can see in the pricing section, it's free forever, and the platform is called PayHip. All you have to do first is to sign up for free. Put your email address here and password here and create an account. So I'm going to create my account first. I've created my account and my store is getting ready. First, I got to add a name or my business name. I'm just going to add Mosh Store. Click continue, and that's going to be my URL, payhip.com/Mosh Store, and get started selling. Now, these are the places where you can set up checkout and you can customize your store design. You can do it later. Setting up your checkout is important because this is how you're getting paid. So you can link your PayPal account, or you can choose Stripe, you can choose your currency. And once you are done, click Save Settings. You can link to your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest account here and click Save Settings. Go to Dashboard and add your first product. Click Add a Product. In our case, we are choosing a digital product. This is where you're going to upload your PDF file with product title and upload a product image, and then choose a price. Choose whether it's visible or invisible or unlisted. When you are not ready to sell a product, then you can choose invisible or unlisted. There are advanced options as well. Once you are done, add the product and the product will be added to your store. That is it. When you get a sale, somebody purchase your product or your PDF report or your ebook, you can get a payment as you set up in your checkout plan. So yes, build your awesome ebooks using Scribble or any other article to PDF converter, or use Maven to create your blog with high quality and unique content and turn them into PDF just like this with all the links to your blog using free softwares like this, and sell them using PayHip and keep 100% of the profit. But in case you need traffic and you need free viral traffic, you can use CashGPresso, which is my website and my software. Link is in the description, and I will also show you how it works. This will generate viral traffic and sales and build your buyers list 100% free. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video.